Welcome to CSlearninghouse. In the world of cybersecurity, ethical hacking plays a crucial role. In this video we will explore what ethical hacking is and why it's important in safeguarding our digital world. But before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, you are requested to subscribe it and click on bell icon so you never miss any new video from us. Let's get started. Ethical hacking is a practice where computer experts, known as ethical hackers, use their skills to find vulnerabilities and weaknesses in computer systems, networks, or applications. They do this with permission from the system owners to help identify and fix these security flaws before malicious hackers can exploit them. In simple terms, ethical hacking is like being a good guy hacker who helps protect computer systems from bad guys. Becoming an ethical hacker requires a specific set of skills. Let's dive into the essential skills and knowledge needed to pursue a successful career in ethical hacking. To excel in ethical hacking, you need to have a deep understanding of network security, programming languages, and operating systems. These skills will empower you to identify vulnerabilities and protect against potential threats. Additionally, ethical hackers must possess problem-solving skills, critical thinking abilities, and a strong sense of ethics. These qualities enable them to analyze complex situations, make informed decisions, and uphold the principles of responsible hacking. Certifications and training programs play a vital role in the journey of becoming an ethical hacker. Let's explore some of the popular certifications and training options available in the field. Certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, are highly recognized in the industry. These certifications validate your skills and enhance your credibility as an ethical hacker. Training programs offered by institutions like Offensive Security, SANS Institute, and EC Council provide comprehensive knowledge and practical experience in ethical hacking. These programs equip you with the necessary skills to tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges. By acquiring these certifications and undergoing specialized training, you'll be well prepared to embark on a successful career as an ethical hacker. The knowledge and expertise gained will open doors to exciting opportunities in the cybersecurity industry. Now that we've explored the world of ethical hacking, the essential skills required, and the certifications and training available, you're ready to embark on your journey as an ethical hacker. Remember, your expertise will contribute to a safer and more secure digital world. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, kindly like, comment, share and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.